All right, what is up, everyone? Today we're going to look at the equal weight versus market cap S&P 500 comparison chart and break down how we like to use this. Now, this is going to be showing market breadth, and this market breadth chart compares the equal weight S&P, which is ticker symbol RSP, and then the market cap weighted S&P 500 ETF SPY. Now, investors use this chart to analyze the performance disparity between the equal weighted and market cap weighted S&P 500 indices. By comparing these two, investors can gauge the breadth of a market rally. A divergence where SPY outperforms RSP might indicate that the rally is being driven by a few large cap stocks, suggesting weaker overall market health. Now, conversely, if the RSP outperforms the SPY, it indicates broader market participation, which is a healthier signal for sustained market growth. This analysis helps investors understand the robustness of the market movements and make more informed decisions about their investments. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this chart here. And what we're seeing, all right, is we're seeing once we have this period here, right, we have the equal weight on top, and then the market cap weighted here on the bottom. We saw a very clean breakout retest of the highs. Right, we have the RSP here. Remember, this is your equal weight. This is the broader market. So we see that this finally broke out, right? Versus the S&P, the SPY, the market cap weighted, broke out earlier in the beginning of the year to new all-time highs. And here we saw a very clean retest, right? So in this pullback that the SPY had, a lot of people were panicking and wondering, hey, what are we going to do? But really, when you take a look at the equal weight, it was a very nice, signal and breadth that, hey, we came down, the equal weight came to this level. And so this sell-off seemed maybe a little more exaggerated, but when you take a look at the broader market, it was just a very clean break and retest, and then we started pushing back up towards from there, right? That's one way to use this. A lot of people are going to tell you, depending if they're a perma bear or a perma bull, that, oh, look at how much better the performance is of the market cap weighted. It's unsustainable. You'll never be able to see that, continue. And a lot of people are going to tell you that, hey, well, we want the RSP to start outperforming, right? And they think that if the RSP outperforms, that's bullish for the broader market. But really, you'll notice that in times where the RSP is actually outperforming the SPY, we're typically in a bearish environment or, a bear market even. And so that may not actually be the thing that you want, right? Now, you don't want to see just one of them moving in a straight line up or a straight line down and the other doing the complete opposite. Okay, so it does give you some confidence whenever you see these moving very similarly, but there's many different ways you can use these chart. And this is just one of the ways that we went over in today's video. If you enjoyed it, join our investment intelligence trading group. All right, there's a link in the description below for that. Inside of there'll be 20 plus swing trade ideas every single week. There's also custom scripts and indicators, exclusive intel via the stock bot, such as unusual option activity, dark pull data, gamma levels, and more. And there's also exclusive chart layouts. Now, this is one of the chart layouts available for purchase using the link in the description below. That's if you want to purchase them separately and you're not really looking to join the trading group, you can do that. Or if you join the trading group, you'll have access to all of the different chart layouts in here as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.